Hello, good morning, student. How are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to discuss about the identification and testing of passive components. Identification and testing of passive components. To study various passive components used in electronics field, to test various passive components. List of electronic component and equipment: resistor, capacitor, inductor, transformer, step up and step down transformer, analog multimeter, digital multimeter, etc. Theory regarding this practical is as passive components. The component which is not an energy source is called passive components. The component which is not an energy source is called as passive components. Passive components store or transfer energy. For example, inductor, transformer, capacitor, and resistor are the passive components. Passive components cannot be used in amplifying an electrical signal, but they can be used with active component to construct any electronic circuit. Resistor. Resistor is a passive component with two lead having some specific value. Resistor opposes electric current flow through the circuit. Resistance. It represents ability of resistor to oppose the flow of electric current. Its unit is ohm and it is symbolically represented as ohm symbol. There are two types of resistor: fixed resistor, wire wound resistor, carbon composition resistor, film type resistor. Variable resistor, preset, potentiometer, rheostat. In market, resistors are available in various types, shape, and power rating like quarter watt, half watt, 1 watt, 2 watt, 5 watt, and 10 watt. The diagram of types of resistor are shown in the above diagram. Resistor color coding chart is also shown in below diagram. There are three bands. There are three bands on the body of carbon composition resistor. Reading from left to right, the first band gives the first digit and second band gives the second digit in the value of R. The third band is decimal multiplier, which gives the number of 0 after two digits. The fourth band indicate tolerance. Example: For example, consider a register with brown, green, red, and silver band. The value of brown is 1 and the value of green color is 5. So, the value of register is 1 into 1, 5 into 10 raised to power 2, and the tolerance is plus minus 10% tolerance. So, the value of given resistor is 1.5 kilo ohm plus minus 10%. Procedure for measurement of resistor by digital multimeter. Insert black probe in common socket and red probe in old ohm milliampere socket of digital multimeter. Select ohm meter section by using selector switch. Connect multimeter probe to both end of resistor. Resistor does not have negative and positive polarity. If resistance of resistor is less than the selected range, then multimeter shows reading, that is value of resistor in terms of digit. If resistance of resistor is greater than the selected range, then multimeter shows out of range means 1. If multimeter shows 1 on the display, then select higher range step by step till you get the reading. Capacitor. A capacitor consists of an insulator placed between the two conductors. Important ratings specification of capacitors are capacitance of capacitor in microfarad and voltage rating. The voltage rating specifies the maximum potential difference that can be applied across the plate without puncturing the dielectric. Capacitor block direct current and passes alternating current. The capacitance of capacitor is measured in farad. There are two main types of capacitor. Fixed capacitor. Fixed capacitor are of two types. First one, electrolytic capacitor. Aluminum capacitor, tantalum capacitor. Non-electric capacitor, mica, paper, ceramic, air. Variable capacitor, air gang, trimmer, and padder. When voltage is applied between the two terminal of capacitor, it gets charged up to its maximum specified value. While charging, the voltage across the capacitor increases and it store maximum energy inside it. When capacitor start discharging, it gives store energy to the remaining part of the circuit. At the same time, voltage across capacitor decreases. Procedure for testing of capacitor by using analog multimeter. First, confirm that given capacitor is fully discharged. Insert black probe of multimeter in negative socket and red probe in 10 kilo ohm or 1 mega ohm socket. Connect probe of multimeter of two end of capacitor. If given capacitor is electrolytic capacitor, then connect red probe to positive terminal of the capacitor and black probe to the negative terminal of the capacitor. See the meter reading carefully. If meter shows very low resistance, then given capacitor is short, and if capacitor is open, then pointer do not get deflected. If meter shows low resistance and if pointer deflect step by step on the scale and shows finally infinity resistance, then capacitor said to be okay. Procedure for testing of capacitor by digital multimeter. First, confirm given capacitor is fully discharged. Select 2 kilo ohm range by using selector switch of the multimeter. Insert red probe of the multimeter in volt ohm milliampere socket and black probe in common socket. Connect red probe of multimeter to positive terminal and black probe of negative terminal of the electrolytic capacitor. Multimeter shows reading in terms of digit for few seconds. Note it down. After few seconds, meter shows 1 on the display or OL on the display. Then capacitor is said to be okay. If multimeter continuously shows the result in terms of digit continuously, then capacitor is said to be faulty, that is either open or short. Inductor. An inductor is usually constructed as a coil of conducting material, typically copper wire, wrapped around a core either of air or of ferromagnetic material. Inductance is the ability of the conductor to produce induced voltage when the current varies. Inductance of inductor is measured in Henry H. Inductance is measured by LCR meter. L means inductance, C means capacitance, R means resistor. In AC circuit, the current is continuously changing and producing induced voltage. A steady direct current is not affected by inductance. Types of inductor are air core, ferrite core, iron core. Procedure for testing of inductor by digital multimeter. Select ohm meter section by using selector switch. Select 2 kilo ohm range. Connect red and black probe of multimeter to both end of the inductor. If multimeter shows low resistance means 1 ohm to 10 ohms, then inductor is said to be okay. If resistance of inductor shown by the multimeter is greater than 10 ohm, then given inductor said to be faulty. If resistance of inductor shown by the multimeter is less than 1 ohm, then given inductor is said to be short. Transformer. It is a device which transfers the AC electric power of one circuit to another circuit by keeping the same frequency, which can raise or lower the voltage with corresponding decrease or increase in current in the circuit. Transformer works on the principle of mutual inductance. Transformer consists of a magnetic core on which two windings are wound. These coils are electrically separated but magnetically linked to each other. Transformer has two windings. First one primary winding and second one secondary winding. Primary winding. It is the winding of coil to which an electric energy is fed from AC mains. Secondary winding. It is the winding or coil from which an electric energy is drawn out. Working of transformer. When AC supply is given to the primary winding, alternating fluxes are set up in secondary winding. The cutting of the flux produce mutually induced EMF, electromotive force, in it. According to the Faraday law of electromagnetic induction, V2 upon V1 is equal to N2 upon N1 is equal to K, that is transformation ratio. Types of transformer. Fixed transformer. First, step up transformer. Second, step down transformer. And third, pulse transformer. B. Variable transformer means auto transformer. Depending on the arrangement of the core and winding, transformer are classified as first core type transformer, second cell type transformer, third berry type transformer. Uses: battery eliminator, power supply, electric control panel. Procedure for testing of transformer. Voltage measurement. First, apply 230 volt 50 Hz to the primary winding of the transformer. Second, measure AC voltage at the secondary. It should be equal to specified value which is printed on the surface of the transformer. Resistance measurement. Select ohmmeter section of digital multimeter. Measure the resistance of primary winding and secondary winding by using digital multimeter. If resistance between primary winding terminal is high and secondary winding terminal is less, then the given transformer is said to be okay. If both primary and secondary winding resistance are less than the given transformer is said to be short. If both primary and secondary winding resistance are high, then the given transformer is said to be open. Conclusion of this experiment. Passive components like resistor, capacitor, inductor and transformer have been studied. All passive components such as resistor, capacitor, inductor and transformer have been tested by using digital or analog multimeter. There is some assignment for you. Please note it down in your copy and show me later on. The first question is, what are the passive components? List the various passive components used in electronic circuit. Explain testing of inductor by using digital multimeter. Explain testing of capacitor by using analog and digital multimeter. Explain testing of transformer by using digital multimeter. What is transformer? Explain its working in short. Okay, thank you student. Meet you in next period. Thanks.